MJ, you look old. Water is free in Coast. I thought you should know. Yeah.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Some days with you is paradise.
That is strategic.
Hey. With all your lies, want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
That's the Annie for us. Love you like you do. I love to see you. Diani baby, I'm just from a class. I will forever treasure this moment. God bless Macau, God bless Karanja, God bless Oli.
God bless Kenya, God bless God.
God bless Kenya, God bless DRC. So guys, I'm going to church. I'm going to church. I'm wearing a dress and a cover up. It's so hot. There's a church going on in this place, but we are not attending that one. Yeah, so I'm going for breakfast and then church. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's your girl Masijuma and I'm in Diani. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to introduce this vlog and I'm sorry. Right now, I'm going to the beach. I'm going to swim, money. Water is free in Coast. I thought you should know. Yeah, so I've been here for a couple of days. It has been a work trip. I'm excited. I'm doing what I love the most, and that is singing and teaching people how to sing. I'm kind of wet. Don't worry. I was like removing my makeup because I went to church and then I applied some kidogo makeup. So I was just washing my face so that I don't look funny when I'm in the beach. Yeah, so right now I'm going to the beach. As you can see, I'm in my room. Yeah, this is my room. Yeah, so I'm going to the beach, and I was just packing. Like, I didn't know what to carry. I don't know if I should carry like a bag to the beach. I don't know. Like, I don't say joy. But I don't know what people carry to the beach literally. But maybe I should carry my identification and I'm trying to see if I should carry like the dress that I'll be wearing later in the day. Maybe it should come in handy. Yeah, guys, I got this dress like early this year, and I remember telling God, ati dress nava Mombasa, because it has like this deco. You see, ikona sijui inanipea like ocean vibes, and I was just saying, my friends know I got this dress when I was with I was with Patience, and I was with Tom, and sorry for that. So my Patience was calling me akiniambia what I'm supposed to wear. So she's like, a cover up. Should I do this for a cover up? Or Adera is better. Do they have like changing rooms? I don't know. Let me just hey, but my dera is torn, guys. My dera is just a pure like mess. The guy that is supposed to pick me is here. I don't know if I should just wear this dress. MJ, you look old. Like, literally, guys, I don't know what he's gonna do. Let me see if I can wear another dress. Or I should wear like this dress. Hey, my God. I don't know. Like, I literally don't know what to do. I think I'll carry this dress, right? And but see, I've just carried this one then. This one and the bra and my innerwear, like that. My sunscreen, alafu serviette, alafu I do this. You know, I do this. What is it? I do this cover up thingy of mine. Cause, or I can wear a pair of like, I can wear these pants. My God, I can wear these pants, right? So that when I'm in someone's car, yeah, that's my swimming costume. Yeah, I can wear these pants so that I don't sit in someone's car like that. Yeah, easy. Yeah, I wear these pants and this thing on top. I carry my shuka and the clothes I'm supposed to change in. And we are done. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm in the beach.
Yeah.
You would, you don't come down. Put back.
Do you not have
kwa ni bag zenye kubeba.
Sisongi.
Au sio? Wewe.
Yeah. So guys, that's my villa for the last part of the night. The beach for the last part of the night. I can't even believe that is the last part of the night. My house, my house. Oh guys, I'm about to start packing. Yeah, I can't even believe that I'm leaving tomorrow. I can't even believe that I'm leaving tomorrow. Like, I was so in love with this place. This is the dress I was telling you guys about. The one that I said Alwe in Mombasa. Yeah, so guys, my storage is full. My video ends here. I think I'll vlog tomorrow kidogo when I'm on the SGR. Yeah, that's just it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I'll do a follow-up video on this one and just like tell you guys how my experience was. But yeah, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with a friend or two. Yeah, I see you again next time. Bye.